The testerup website has been blowing up recently. In this video, we're going to see if this is actually legit or a scam. For those of you who don't know, testerup is a website and an app that gives you money for playing their games. According to them, this is done to test the games, and in return, you will get paid. I will show you everything, but first, like the video to help it reach more people. And subscribe. At first glance, the website looks nice. What's more nice is the money showing next to the games. For playing Coin Master, you will get $45. Family Island Unforgettable Adventure will give you $215, which is a lot of money for just playing games. You won't get all the money at once. I will show you how you can earn it. Before starting any game, go into the payout section. This is where the first red flag shows, as the minimum payout is $70. Payouts are supposedly done on PayPal, so there's no reason for the threshold to be so high, unless they don't want you to achieve it. Second issue I found was that they only offer one option for those who only use their computer. I know we're in 2023 and 99% of the people use a smartphone, but still, the only available option was to earn $4.50 in 4 minutes. If you go further into detail, you will see that you will need to download software that track your online activity. Now I don't know about you, but I prefer not to install software that actively tracks me, especially for just $5. So we just said that it is mainly based on the smartphone app, right? I clicked on the iPhone App Store button as I couldn't find testerup anywhere. When you click on the icon, it will redirect you to empfohlen.de, which is the parent company of testerup, based in Germany. There's only one problem. I couldn't find empfohlen on the App Store either. I tried out my luck again on Safari using my iPhone. This time it took me to the website, but still no sign of the app. I clicked on the games to see if it will let me play them. It shows you how you can earn money by playing these, but by reaching a certain amount of levels. The payouts look nice, but when I went to play the game, it didn't let me. Apparently, Malta is not on the supported countries. But then again, which countries are supported? I would assume Germany and United States for sure, but other than that, it's a mystery. To conclude, whilst I don't think that testerup is a scam, it surely makes it hard to withdraw your money with that $70 payout. You will need to spend lots of time reaching high levels before ever getting close to that $70. Also, your country, depending where you're watching from, might not be eligible to earn money from this site. Have you tried this out? Did you actually get paid from this? Leave a comment down below. I'll see you in the next one.